Today, we'll be watching some of the most shocking car accidents from around the world. All real footage, all with lessons to teach.
Drivers who do not drive slowly and carefully at traffic lights are colliding.
Like, well, we're gonna do it. And they jump the fence. Oh, damn. No. God damn it.
Again, lights and fast drivers. A driver who lost control.
There's $5.
Oh, shit.
Oh, look at the car. Baby, what the?
I gotta go help.
Yeah.
A sleeping driver and an accident are inevitable. One driver's mistake and 3 car accident moments. A driver who loses control turns into a monster in traffic. Uncontrolled driver following distance and faulty driving experience.
But after a generation, they stop. So you really don't. It's overrated.
Who do you think is the wrong driver on the flowing road?
So well coached, and I wanted to show how well coached they are. This is in their opening drive. It's a 3 and 10 screen pass. A couple things that I want to point out now.
Who is at fault? A driver turning on such a narrow road or a driver coming this fast? How sad is it to see a driver sleeping on a moving road during the day?
Continuous, like, dehydration for it to happen. Oh my god.
What?
Wow. Wow. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Pedestrians with an SUV, no one was killed. That huge wildfire in Southern California has
Oh
become
my
the largest
God.
in history. It is
And regardless of what sort of man John Carr was,
I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel and open notifications. Thank you for watching.